Okay, this is for the Trilogy 2008-2009 Box Break. It is 8:51 on Wednesday, October the 3rd, here in Digby. We will be opening this box, and the serial number on it is NE56497973. Get to the camera there for you guys. Thanks for everybody part of this. We'll see what we get out of here tonight. There we go there. Put it away. No, set it away. We got 3 packs there, 3 there, and 3 there. Enough nuts in the box. Okay. So our first pack here. We have Anzi base from the Kings. We have Rookie Premiers Trilogy, 687 out of 999. It's a Jonathan from the Detroit Red Wings. And then we have a Trilogy 3 Hard Star Scrapped Swatches. That autographed, and it's Nicholas Lindstrom. It's out of number 45 out of 100. So that's a nice one. And Detroit is actually Jeff. You got a nice one there, Jeff. In the back of that one there. And then we have just a filler. And then we have Joseph from the Capital. This is Capitals, but also it's got Anaheim, or yeah, Capitals. There we go. Let's see what's the next one here. Okay, Evan from the Sharks. And then we have Rookie Premiers, Alex from the Toronto Maple Leafs. And it's number 672 out of 999. And then from the San Jose Sharks, we have a Superstar Scripts one. Dan Boyle, autographed. There you guys go. Let's see if there's any number. It's 0. In the back of that one. That's a nice one. Insert filler. And then we have Danny from the Senators. Peter from the Coyotes. There we go from that. Oh, we have one sealed in a plastic here. Let's see. Okay, we have Martin Brodeur. We have Phil from the Bruins. And then let's go towards the back here. We'll go John from the Ducks. And then we go Mike from the Capitals. And then we have the Rookie Premier, 656 out of 999. And it's John from the Penguins. And let's see what we got here. We have from the Tampa Bay. It's a 1, 2, 3. Vincent Le Cavalier. It is a Trilogy Tricolor Tandems. There's that there for you guys. We'll go around the back here. Okay, so we have on the back here, we have Vincent the Cavalier and Martin St. Louis. So there's the back of that card. It's already in its plastic. There's the front again for you. It's a nice card. And that goes to, let's see, who got Tampa? Adam Hill got that one. Okay, let's see here. We have Cristobal, the Blackhawks. Sam from the Oilers. And then we have another rookie premieres. Kevin from the Coyotes, 667 out of 999. And then we have a blank insert. Then we have Thomas from the Sabres. And Mike from the Stars. And then, let's see here. Quick look. Nope. Henrik from the Red Wings. Jason from Sabres. And we go rookie premieres again for Michael from the Panthers, and it's 368 of 999. We have an insert. Then we have Mark Andre from the Penguins, and Mark from the Islanders on the bottom. We'll leave that one a little bit later. Okay. We have Alice from Oilers. We have Manny from the Blues. We have a blank insert. Then we have a rookie premieres, 670 out of 999 of Sammy from the Capitals. And in this pack, we have a Trilogy two-way threads of the Boston Bruins. So Boston goes to Craig Williams. So there's a nice one. It's got Zendo and Chair in it. There's the front. And the back of that. Camera, no blurb. Yeah, a nice card. Craig. Let's see what I'll here. Or we'll get two plexiglass ones in this one like the last one we did. Well, another jersey card coming out. Tubas from the Thrashers. And then we have Mika from the Flames. Blank insert. Then we have another Rookies Premieres. Adam from the Blue Jackets. And it's 118 out of 999. And then we have from Pittsburgh Penguins. We have Sidney Crosby jersey card. Looks like honorary swatches from Sidney Crosby. So Pittsburgh, Jamie Grant received that one. Let's go turn around the back, just show you the back. There we go. So Jamie, you got a nice card there. And we got this pack here. Oh, we hit two. We hit a plexiglass on this one. So we have Nikolai from the Rangers. We have Pavo from the Red Wings. And then we have Nicholas Lindstrom from the Red Wings. We have Shane from the Coyotes. And then we have 655 out of 999 Rookies Premieres of Mike from the Canucks. And we have a Sidney Crosby Frozen in Time plexiglass. There's a nice hit. And that's for Jamie Grant. Jamie, you didn't well on this one. There's a nice plexiglass one. It's 658 out of 799. There's the back of it. Camera can't focus on it, but there we go. Nice plexiglass one. So, in our last pack, we'll pull this out here. So, we have Daniel from the Flyers. And then we have Carey from the Thrashers. And then we have Henrik from the Rangers. And then we have Ryan from the Sabres. And then we have Ryan from the Nashville Predators. And it's 240 out of 999 Rookies Premier. And we have in this pack another plexiglass and another Pittsburgh. So Ryan or Jamie, you have really did good in this one. This one here is Jordan Stahl autograph ice scripts trilogy. There's the front of it. Autograph everything. And then we turn around and there's the back of it for you. So 2 plexiglasses in this box also, same with the last one we did. So that is 2 nice hits for you guys. So that's the break. Appreciate it. Thanks very much. And hope to be doing another one for you guys shortly. Thanks.